Today we're actually going to be in the gym, but not doing stuff in the gym. We're actually going to be cleaning up the shop in the back of one of our gyms. And in our Arizona market, we actually have kind of a shop created in the back of one of our locations. And I went in the back and it is a mess. What a disaster. I mean, this is bad. You cannot even walk around it here. The pros of this is the ninjas are getting creative. The cons with it is ninjas normally are not the cleanest and not the most organized. You literally have pretty much anything you would need in a gym or to build a gym back here. We have every tool back here, and I think every component for building any obstacles, maintaining any obstacles, maintaining the rigging. Let's do a quick walkthrough. Okay, we have this, which I don't even know what the hell that is. I mean, plenty of weights. Got a weighted vest, holds, this thing, cannonballs there. There's a bird box that they must have made, pegboards, all these obstacles here. We got thousands of dollars of obstacles just laying on the floor. Bucket of bolts here, paint, primer, old obstacles there. Bucket of rings. And we got all our nuts, bolts, screws, router bits, impacts laying there, batteries. We got a cooler with a Milwaukee charger with filters, with screws, with a speed square, ladder. The cluttered shop's got to have some fluorescent bulbs laying around. We got steel plates along with stencils and next to some straps. Pseudo storage shelf that's cluttered. Screws, bolts, clamps, tool bag that's just cluttered with trash. Got a sawzall laying on the ground with new screwdrivers laying on the ground. Oh, there's a tool belt. That's a good spot for that. Well, this is supposed to have all the obstacles hanging and organized there. They are not. $1,000 worth of holds laying on the ground there. Got these things. Not sure where those came from, but they're here. Some straps. Oh, we got just a random impact there. We got a hammer drill there. Here's our workbench made out of a piece of warped wall. You see that? A-frame with bearings on it. Oh, there's another drill laying on the ground. Well, at least we have a shop vac here. We got lots of extra A-frames down here. Oh, what do we got here? This looks like some type of bar hopper component that they made. You gotta have a pool noodle in your gym or in your shop or wherever, just laying around. Pool noodle is a must. I mean, there we got some wall holds in the bucket there with some ropes. Good combination, knot. Got some new stuff there. Shafts. Gotta have, there's our welding station. At least they got the clamps up, stacked nicely. Here's an old obstacle that did not work the way I wanted, as it's not balanced correct. Good idea, bad execution. Another tool belt, more patterns for warped walls, more shafts with mounts on them. Those shafts would go in our A-frames like that. Gotta have your metal cutter, your chop box, grinder. That's a must in a ninja gym. And of course, you gotta have a skateboard and a moving dolly. As you can see, we got a lot of stuff, a lot of tools, a lot of scrap, and a lot of components and a lot of obstacles and one big mess. I'm doing this while we're closed on a Sunday. Not that I like doing this, but I want this clean. I know it's fun getting excited to create, build, change, use the tools. However, you got to keep it clean and organized because that is the only way to stay sane. Do some quick dips. I sometimes use them for this too. And we also have the Champions Creed written by Ben Utek. Ben is a former Super Bowl champion, and he is also Conquer Ninja's Chief Cultural Officer. There he is. He helped us instill the culture that we currently have. So shout out to Ben and the Champions Creed. God. Lots of room here now. Look at all that room. It was all cluttered. All right, it's a start. It's about an hour and a half. So I can at least walk through here, move around a little bit. Got the corner organized better. However, we still have a lot to do on the workbench here, organizing the tools, and then organizing our obstacles on this wall, and then ultimately organizing our nuts, bolts, clamps, all that go with it, and then that back closet. But probably say another hour and a half and we got it. Probably not gonna happen today though. So whether it's a shop, a gym, or your mindset, if it's messy and cluttered, it's probably time for a reset. Peace.